Hello! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very useful lesson. We will learn how to talk about problems at work in English. Sometimes at work, a colleague does not agree with you. This feels difficult. But today, you will learn easy words and phrases to help you. We will watch two colleagues. They have a problem at work, but they talk calmly and they find a good solution together. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's learn 5 important words. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Word 1. Misunderstanding. When two people do not understand each other. There is a misunderstanding about the plan. Repeat. Misunderstanding. Misunderstanding. Word 2, perspective. How you see something, your idea, your opinion. From my perspective, this is better. Repeat. Perspective. Perspective. Word 3, compromise. A solution that is good for both people. Let's find a compromise. Repeat. Compromise. Compromise. Word 4, resolution. When you solve the problem successfully. We found a good resolution. Repeat. Resolution. Resolution. Word 5, collaborate. To work together as a team. Let's collaborate on this. Repeat. Collaborate. Collaborate. Now, all 5 words together, slowly. Misunderstanding. Perspective. Compromise. Resolution. Collaborate. Hello. Thank you for talking with me today. We have a big project. The deadline is in 3 days. I feel a little worried. Can we talk?
Hi. Yes, of course. I am tired too. I worked very late last night. What is the problem?
I think there is a misunderstanding about our plan. I wanted to start with something simple for the customers, but the plan now starts with something big and complicated. I am worried the customers will feel confused.
Oh, I see. From my perspective, starting with the big part is better. It shows the exciting part first. That is what I thought.
I understand why you think that. It is a good idea. But our test last week showed a problem. Some customers stopped using it because it was too much at the beginning. That is why I want to start simple.
Ah, I did not see the test results. I was very busy. I'm sorry about that.
No problem at all. These things happen. We are all very busy right now. The important thing is to find a good resolution. How about we collaborate and find a compromise? We keep your exciting part, but we put 2 simple questions first. Then the customers feel comfortable. Then they see your exciting part. This uses both of our perspectives.
I like that idea. It helps the customers and keeps the exciting part. But I am worried about time. 3 days is not a lot.
You are right. Let's make a simple plan. I will change the first part tonight. You finish your part. Tomorrow morning, we meet for 30 minutes and check everything together. Is that okay?
Yes, that is good. Thank you for staying calm. Sometimes when I am tired, I feel a little defensive.
Me too. Deadlines are hard, but talking like this helps a lot. Let's look at the project together now. Okay, let's look at the first screen together. I have 2 simple questions for the customers. The first question is, what is your goal? More strength, more energy, or better recovery? The second question is, how many days a week do you exercise? These questions are short and easy to answer.
Yes, I like those questions. They are simple and personal. I can connect them to the main system easily. No extra steps needed.
Good. Now after the questions, the customer sees your exciting part. Can we add a small animation? Something that says, we are finding your results?
Yes, a small loading animation. That is a great idea. It shows the technology is working. Customers will feel excited.
From my perspective, we should also change the button text. Maybe see my results. It is simple and very clear for everyone.
I agree. See my results is perfect. We can also add a short message about privacy. Some customers asked about that in the test.
Yes, that is very important. People want to feel safe. We should always make customers feel comfortable and secure.
Exactly. Now, what about the results page? It has a lot of information right now. Maybe it is too much for new customers.
I think so too. Can we collaborate on making it simpler? We show the top 3 results first. The customer can click for more details if they want.
Good idea. Less information is better at the start. I will change that today. What about connecting to a smartwatch? Some customers said they could not find that option easily.
Let's add a simple question after the quiz. Do you have a smartwatch? Connect it for better results. That is easy to find and easy to understand for everyone.
Perfect. I will add that now. This is a great compromise. Your simple design and my strong system working together.
Exactly. We're using both of our perspectives to make something better. This is what good collaboration looks like. Our boss also wants customers to share their results with friends. How do we add that without making everything complicated?
Good question. We can add one simple button at the end. Share with a friend. It is optional. Customers choose if they want to. No pressure at all.
Yes, that is the perfect compromise. We add the sharing option, but we do not force anyone. It stays simple and friendly.
Exactly. I can build that easily. Your ideas about the customers are really helping this project.
Thank you. And your work on the system is very important too. We work well together when we collaborate openly like this.
We do. Now, what if a customer does not get good results from the quiz? What do we show them?
We show a simple and friendly message. Add more information to get better results. It is helpful. It is not scary or negative. The customer feels supported.
Good. Kind and clear. Now, for phones, should we make the buttons bigger? Older customers may find small buttons difficult to press.
Yes, big buttons are better for everyone, young and old. I will change that in the design tonight. It is an easy fix, but very important.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Now, about the colors, some customers use their phones at night. Should we make the colors softer?
Good point. Soft colors at night are easier for the eyes. I will add that to my design changes tonight. From my perspective, small details like this make a big difference for the customer.
I agree completely. Every small detail matters. Now, after we launch, we should check which results customers like most. This helps us make the product better next time.
Yes, that is a very smart idea. We learn from our customers. We use that information to improve. This is how great products are made. I think we are almost finished. Let's do a quick check. Simple questions first, then the exciting part, then the results, then the share button. Does that sound right to you?
Yes, that is exactly right. The plan is clear now. I feel much better about the deadline.
Me too. This resolution is really coming together well. At the beginning, we had a misunderstanding, but now we have a great plan that uses both of our ideas.
Yes, and we stayed calm the whole time. That made everything easier. Thank you for talking to me so kindly.
Thank you, too. You listened well and you were open to new ideas. That is very important in a team.
I learned something today. When I am tired and stressed, I sometimes close my mind. But talking openly like this, it always finds a better answer.
Exactly. Stress is normal. Deadlines are hard, but good communication is always the answer. This is what makes a good team a great team.
I agree. So, final plan, you send your design changes by 8 tonight. I send my system updates by 8 tonight. We meet tomorrow at 9:15 for 30 minutes. We check, we test, we fix small things, then we are ready.
Perfect. That is a clear and simple plan. I feel confident about Thursday now. Thank you for collaborating with me today. This was a great conversation.
Thank you too. One last question. Coffee after we finish tomorrow?
Absolutely. We deserve it. See you tomorrow morning. Have a good evening.
You do. Good night.
Repeat each phrase slowly and clearly. I think there is a misunderstanding about the plan. From my perspective, this is better for the customers. I understand why you think that. No problem. These things happen. How about we find a compromise? Let's collaborate and find a good resolution. Thank you for your perspective. We can solve this together. Excellent! You did very well. Practice these phrases every day. Speak slowly and smile when you say them.